Dukitin. Anong dukitin?
Nagdukitin.
Uy, kanta na.
Surprise, surprise.
Kanta na.
With you by surprise, realize
That my life
change
forever. Jawa.
Show you standing here.
Ha?
I didn't know I am here.
Tuloy-tuloy.
This was special.
Matay si Sikat Are.
Okay.
Dreams.
My reality.
Oh, tingnan mo. Tumayo siya.
My real fantasy. Illusion are commenting and try to breathe and sing
Oh, tama din. Ipasok pa bukas ka mo eh.
Di na ito, makamay yun. Dreams like a reality.
Yan sasabi mo.
Different reality.
Did you understand? You understand? Reg, you understand?
And living seems alright.
You understand?
No. That's why I got the Aspro. I thought you might have needed it.
Okay.
That's why I thought you wanted Aspro.
Ah.
I thought you was in pain.
Kaya ka daw binigyan, baka daw nasaktan ka. Honey, don't resist. I-video ito kasi YouTube yan. It's true. Feeling what to do. Dreams are my reality. Hindi nakaintindi. Minasahe ka na sa likod. Wala ka na talaga. Wala ka ng kiliti. Sayang oh. Nako, walang mag-like sa'yo.
Hindi, pinapakanta ka nga.
Hindi, ikaw nga eh. Ikaw ang... Dreams are my reality. Ako na lang.
I wonder.
Ante, hindi, ikaw nga eh. And
Holding you alright, and holding seems alright. Perhaps that might be reality.
O tayo ka, tayo yung giling mo, giling. Yan. So, talo lagi si Uyang, matay.
Okay. Seriously, what you guys do?
Hindi na nakita.
I didn't realize. Kunwari so, seryoso. That my love will just forever.
Ano serious? Live, live. Tayo, tayo.
Yan po naman. Galing na
Oo nga.
baba nito. Parang spaghetti.
Oh.
And there's something
Tapos,
special about you.
with feelings talaga. Woo! Oh, lo. Hindi ko tuloy maipagpara.
Lahat mo kasi video and
Dreams are my reality. Ikaw nga eh.
I like to dream
Yes,
of you close to me.
Mahaya mo dahil yan.
I dream of living in tonight and holding things around.
Grabe.
Has that my reality?
Rex, she's in pain. She's in pain.
That's why I got the Aspro.